Football. So this is a ball that is round shape and is used to play football game. Next one is film, where it is spelled as FILM, and is also known as a movie where we can watch like many pictures with the sound effects and the moving pictures actually. Next one is a museum, so which can be spelled as MUSEUM. So it is a building in which objects of historical and scientific, artistic or a cultural interest are stored and exhibited. And the next one is music, so which can be spelled as MUSIC. So any vocal or instrumental sounds or both combined to perform. Then next one is a radio, which can be spelled as RADIO. This is an instrument used to listen to music, songs and news. Next one is read, READ. It is to know about anything by seeing and telling it is. Next one is a time, TIME. The time is measured in hours and minutes. Next one is 11, which can be spelled as ELEVEN. So it is the number after 10 is 11. Next one is noon. So which can be spelled as NOON. So a midday or the 12 o'clock is known as noon. The next one is Saturday. So that can be spelled as SATURDAY. A day in a week which comes after Friday and which comes before Sunday. And the next one is 8, where it is a number after 7. So which can be spelled as EIGHT. Next one is Sunday. So Sunday can be spelled as SUNDAY. So it is a day which comes after Saturday and the day which comes before Monday. So this is about the dictate and this is about the lesson. Enjoy yourself.